So first, you need to check to see whether your phone supports or has the face unlock. And let me show you how you can just check and also activate the face unlock. And then I will show you the top 5 features that you need to turn on after or if you use the face ID. That's how it is. Let's dive in. If you are new, just subscribe and like the video for more. Let's go. So just go to your phone settings. When you go to your phone settings, scroll down and then look for password and security. Password and security, and just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see we have password and security right here. We have the lock screen password, we have the fingerprint, and then we have the face unlock. This one, just tap on it. When you tap on it, first you need to set up a screen lock, okay, or lock screen password. So you just set that one first, okay. So you will determine whether you want your phone screen password to be a pattern or numbers, or you just mess it up, okay, both letters and then numbers, okay. So it's your choice, but let me just choose pattern, okay. Let me just give a single a short pattern right here, a simple one. This is very simple. Don't use this because someone can easily get into your smartphone, okay. So just make sure you use a harder one. If in case you use a pattern, make sure it is a strong one, because with the pattern, okay, most people usually get access to it by just trying their luck, okay. And one thing is that, let me give you this tip, okay. You can see what I did is on the screen. So the pattern that I drew, if someone takes my phone right now and then look or try to just check on the screen, the person will see the pattern, okay, of the lock screen. So I would advise you, you can either go for the other one. I just want this to be very simple and short. That's why I chose the pattern. But pattern is not bad, but always it comes with this risk. They may see it on your phone screen, okay. So this for educational purposes. Now let's get continue to it. All right, if you want to subscribe because more videos will come right here on this platform. Now tap on confirm, and now just tap on done right here, and you are going to enroll face unlock. So if your phone supports, you will see right there, and then you come to this side, you will then tap on enroll face unlock. Now you need to do this. You need to first make sure that you are recording the environment that you are just going to enroll your face is clear, okay. There is no two lights behind you, or so let me just give it a try by completing the face unlock or the face ID or the facial data, okay. So let me just tap on start. Now you can see this is what I'm going to do, okay. Although my face is here, but okay, so you can see it has completed. So you need to make sure that your head or your face is in the middle of the scanning area, okay. And this is what you're going to do after setting up. Just tap on done right here, and we have set the face unlock, okay. So let's give it a try. Let me just tap on the power key, look here, and now you can see it has locked. Sorry, it has unlocked, okay. So let's see, let's try it again. Okay, look there, look there, okay, and then you can see it has unlocked, okay. But one thing is, this is where the 5 tips, okay, that I talk about is what I'm going to show you all the 5 tips. The one or the first one I'm going to show you is, let me just go back and then go to face unlock, draw your pattern, and we have when phone unlocked, okay. So you are going to tap on this when phone unlocked, and then you just select unlock directly. If you could, or if you monitored, okay, with how we unlock the phone, let me just show you. You could see although it has unlocked, but we are still on the lock screen. You need to just swipe before you get access. But with these settings, it will just automatically unlock and then to come here. No need for you to unlock your device, and then you will still need to swipe again, okay, or do any action again. Straight up, you are in your phone starting to use it, okay. So let me just show you with that one by tapping on the when phone unlock, and then you tap on unlock directly. Kind of like the video and then subscribe for more videos from this platform. Now unlock directly and then go back. When you go back, let me just give it a try for you. Okay, so you could see it just unlocked. Nothing popped up. It just unlocked, and it's very nice. Okay, all right. So let's unlock again. And then the second thing that I'm going to show you is this. You can see screen flash in dim light, screen flash in dim light, and this one is on. So this is what will happen if this is on. Let me show you. Just hold on for me for just few seconds. Okay, so when you are at a place where there is no light, okay, and then you have this turn on, or you have your face unlock turn on, yes, your phone will need to increase its brightness to see your face. So this is what will happen. You could see, what is happening on the screen. You could see that the brightness increased. You see. So let me just show it to you. So it is trying to brighten the phone screen so that it will reflect some kind of light on your face, and then it will see your face. And then what happens is to unlock. So let me just give it a try. Let me see if it will see my face. Okay, so because of me recording, the phone is covering my face, so it's unable to detect or see my face. Okay, but yeah, this is how it works. Before you continue, kindly like the video and subscribe for more videos from this platform. More videos will be coming right here, so just subscribe for more videos from this platform. If it is your first time, drop your comment in the comment section. I will really appreciate. Okay, now let's continue with it. Let's go to the third one. So when you turn off, okay, when you turn off this one, it will not lighten up or give you that bright light, because that bright light will sometimes give you some pains in your eyes. Okay, so when you do it that way, if you're in dark place, you unlock it with your pattern or your lock, and then you go. So if your phone supports fingerprint, that's when in the dark places, the fingerprint will be helping you much more. So you replace, or you'll be using the fingerprint when, okay, when you are in dark places, and when you are at light places, yes, then you will be using your face unlock. So since you know we want to make everything simple, you don't need to be always tapping here for your phone to light up before it unlocks. We are just going to show you one setting that will really help you, so that after activating, the moment you raise your phone, yes, you are good to go. So now I don't think the settings, okay, the settings has already been activated, but let me show you how you can activate yours or deactivate yours right there, if in case you don't like it as well. So scroll down from here and then look for special functions again, and then this time scroll down and look for actions and gestures. Okay, actions and gestures, when you come to this side, then you look for left to wake. Okay, left to wake, and then you select that one. When you select this one, anytime that you raise your phone, okay, so there's an example. When you raise your phone screen will just light up. So with this, you could see it is on. So let me just turn it off, and now let me just show you. So our phone is this way. When we lift it, you could see the screen is not turning on. So if you are someone who uses face unlock, this will help you, because the moment you raise your phone, then your phone will just light up. It will see your face and then unlock for you. Okay, so let me just show you. Let me turn it on. Let me go back. Let me turn the screen off. Let me just raise, and here we go. Okay, very simple. So there is the fourth. I think there's the fourth one. Okay, or if in case you don't like the lift and then it will wake for you, or the screen will just light up for you, can turn it off. And then we have another one right here. We have tapping wake. So the tapping wake will just, you will just need to just tap on the screen two times, just twice, two times, and then your phone will light up, like the screen will just show up. Okay, so with this, no lift to awake has been activated. So you just tap on the screen two times, one, two, and then the phone screen is on. Okay, one, two, then it's off. One, two is on. One, two is off. So you can just do that one, and then to see your face, and then it will unlock. But I always prefer the lift to awake. That one is very, very simple to use. So I think we are done with it. If you have any question, anything, leave it in the comment section. I will just check and then answer as well. This is all that you need to know about your device. Maybe I did not get the counting correct, but we just gave you 5 tips after setting up your phone lock screen. Simple. Thanks for watching. Check in the comment section or description of the video or check on the screen for more videos as well. Stay alive and bye for now.